So, welcome to Night Hacking again. We are here at Devox Belgium. I'm Yolande Poirier from Oracle Technology Network, and my guest is Antoine Sabot Durand,
Antoine Sabot Durand, yeah.
who is
Working for Red Hat, and I'm the CDI2 specification leader.
okay. So, so you've been working really hard on the CDI too.
Yeah. So we've been working. The expert group I've been working for nearly 2 years now on CDI2,
Wow.
and we have a lot of nice features to announce and to add to CDI. So there are features like asynchronous event. There are features like Java EC support. Until now, there wasn't Java EC support at the specification level. We also added a lot of helpers to design a portable extension, so to have a better tooling to integrate third-party framework and other specification. We also add a few advanced nice features to have interceptor on produced bin and a lot of other little stuff.
So, for people who are maybe not too familiar with the Java EE platform, I mean, how is CDI interact with other standards?
So the first version of CDI was released with the Java E6 in December 2009, and it became very popular. And today it's quite centric in Java EE platform. So a lot of other specifications are using CDI to integrate. So, for instance, it's the case for JAX-RS, bin validation. It will be also the case for the next security specification. So it's an integration specification that helps having a consistent programming model across all the Java EE platform.
So so right now you said it's it's going to be released actually.
Yeah,
pretty soon?
we should,
Or
if
what's this?
everything is going
we
okay
cross the
and green
fingers.
light, we should release in January.
Okay.
So the CDI 2.0 will be released in January. And so we are working on the last feature. The feature freeze will be at the end of the month, end of November. You can still make your feedback. There are all the information to get the early draft reference implementation on the CDI spec.org website. And you can play with it, give your feedback. If you find any issue in the spec, it's still time, but the window is closing. And yeah, we should release the CDI2 spec for January. The idea was to provide it before Java E8, because other spec may want to see what's new to adapt to this new feature in CDI. And we hope and we plan to provide a CDI 2.1 GSR to add a feature that could be missing in the CDI 2.0 for Java E8. So that was the idea at the beginning, and we stick to the plan quite a
So
bit.
you are on schedule.
Yeah, we are on schedule.
Good. So, and do you work a little bit, or do you get feedback from Adopt a JSR from people who go through that program, or so? What's your experience? Or do you
Unfortunately, we don't have a lot of feedback.
okay.
We have a very active expert group, so people in the expert group are working on real-life projects, so they have their own feedback, but perhaps we lack a bit of feedback from the community, but perhaps it means that everything is okay on the new feature that we introduced. So there was already two early drafts for CDI. One was released last year during the summer, and the second one was released in August there. And so far, we didn't have any negative feedback. Only people are asking for clarification and things like that we added to the spec as well.
Okay, so anybody can try it, right?
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah,
that would
yeah.
be
And
awesome to.
And you should read the specification document. It's a nice document.
So it's
And-
well
and
documented.
Yeah,
so
and we have a nice link system between the specification document and the TCK,
okay.
so you can check all the tests related to a section in the spec to see what is the code in the TCK behind to understand by the code what is in the specification. So you can enter the specification on both ways, by reading it and by reading the test and going back and forth.
Nice, very nice. So good work.
Thank you.
So thank you for leading the project, right? I mean, I'm sure it's a lot of work.
It's a bit of work, yeah. A lot of politics.
As usual.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you, Yolande.
Thank you.
Bye.